Michael Mignano, chef owner of Main Street Bakery and Cafe in Port Washington, New York. Today we're making chocolate molten cake. So I have 12 ounces of dark chocolate melted with 10 ounces of butter, all melted together. We had 5 eggs with half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have 4 ounces of sugar. I have 4 ounces of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. So we're going to add our eggs, vanilla extract, and sugar, and we're going to whip them till double in volume in our mixer, till pale and frothy. So we have our mix, nice double in volume. You can actually see the ribbons on the egg sugar mixture. So we're going to slowly add our flour first. And what this does is that the flour actually builds strength to the egg and sugar mixture. And what I mean by building strength, it gives stability to the cake so it doesn't collapse. So we have that low, let that increase in volume. It'll all blend in. We can add our salt. Then we've melted our butter and chocolate. We've let it cool. Now we're going to add that in very slowly on the side. We're going to increase the speed a little bit and mix everything together for about 2 minutes. So we have our mix ready. Initially it's going to look pale. That's because the eggs are frothy, and it gets darker as it sits. So we're going to take these 4-ounce aluminum molds and get some grease spray. Just line the inside. And just scoop and pour some in, about 3/4 of the way. Now, the thing is that it is a molten cake, so you do want it soft in the center. So we're going to cook them at 325 for about 10 to 12 minutes. The exterior will just be set and the inside will still be gooey. We'll leave it outside for about 5 minutes before we take it out of the mold. So our chocolate cakes are done. You can see that the sides are just set. The inside's very soft. Carefully just flip it. You can demold it right into a plate. So now we're going to cut it. You can see how the inside just beautifully melts, and it's your perfect molten dark chocolate cake.